talk about how to sell the property of a deceased owner when there is a pending tax deed sale. Now, sometimes an owner has passed away and nobody paid the property taxes for a couple of years. When this happens, the tax collector's office could very well set a tax deed sale. I'm attorney Vernita Williams. I practice law here in South Florida. And so the things that I want to share with you about what you can do if you are a beneficiary of an estate and the owner has passed away and there's a tax deed sale. This is specifically for South Florida. If you're not in South Florida, you need to consult an attorney about what works in your area. Well, if there's a tax deed sale, there are two things I want to tell you. First of all, that tax deed sale is not going to get canceled if you tell the tax collector the owner has died. They're going to say, sorry for your loss. The tax deed sale is scheduled in 30 days or 60 days or whatever the date is. Also, I want to point out to you that you probably won't be able to work out a payment plan for the taxes. So then what do? A lot of times, if you are a beneficiary of a property where the owner has died, people will come to you that are real estate investors and they'll tell you, well, you're going to lose the property anyway, so why don't you just let me give you $5,000 or $10,000 and you just sign a quit claim deed and give me your ownership interest. Well, don't do that. You need to hire a probate attorney that understands how to stop that tax deed sale, so you will have time to either pay the taxes or sell it at a reasonable price. Now, here are some steps that you can do to cancel the tax deed sale. And I'm saying you because you're going to get it done using an attorney. I wouldn't recommend that a layman do this on his own. Step number one, open probate on the relative who has passed away. Whoever the deceased owner is, open probate. The next thing is get a personal representative appointed so that someone will have the authority to take the next step to sell the property. The third thing you will need to do is file an emergency petition to stop the tax deed sale. Now, this you can do in probate court in Dade County for sure. That's Miami-Dade County. And there are some specific steps you have to take and people you will have to notice that you are taking this emergency step. Now, make sure you use a probate attorney because you know what? There are some jurisdictional problems, and if the truth were told, some judges will tell you, I don't even have jurisdiction to deal with this if you take it to probate court. But I've never seen an instance where someone filed an emergency petition in probate court where the estate was being handled and they were not able to get at least 10 to 12 months to sell the property. So get that emergency petition before the probate judge, set a hearing, and get you a court order stopping the sale. Many of the courts will cooperate and they will stop the sale for you if there's a probate, a deceased owner, and you are an heir and you don't want to have to sell the property dirt cheap. Now, guess what? This doesn't work for everybody. If you're a person where the owner has not died, you're the owner, there's no death, you can't just go and open a case in court and say, I want to stop the tax deed sale. This doesn't work for everybody, but it works like a charm. If the owner has passed away, you are a family member, you're an heir, and you want to stop that tax deed sale to give you time to, number one, catch up the taxes or either sell the property. So those are some things that you can do to stop a tax deed sale if that is what's going on and the owner has died. For more information, please call me at 786-831-9483. That's 786-831-9483 if you need assistance selling the property of a deceased owner and there's a pending tax deed sale. You can also visit my website at vcwlaw.com. That is vcwlaw.com for more information about what you can do to set your affairs in order and probate matters. Thank you so much for listening.